what do we know about lines? Well, a line is a collection of points, and when all the points are aligned in the same direction, we call it a straight line, isn't it? And where do we see such straight lines? Well, we see straight lines all around us. So, whether it is such a house, what do we see? We see a straight line. What about this box? Here too, we see straight lines. And this chair, straight line again. And this table, straight line again. So, we have straight lines all around us. And what if you want to draw a straight line, or you want to draw an object which is made up of straight lines? How will you draw a straight line? Well, one simple way is simply try drawing using your hand without any help. Now, you may say that this is a straight line, but it is not exactly straight. So, you see, there are bends everywhere. So, although I tried to draw a straight line, it is not exactly a straight line. So, what can I do? Well, if we do not have any object whose help we can take, then what we need to do is we need to keep our hands very steady. So, if we keep our hands very steady and we try to draw a line, it will be at least much better than this line, because my hands were steady. So, it's very important that your hands are steady when you're drawing a straight line, because a straight line has no bends, it's straight. So, your hand has to move very straight. But again, even this line is not a perfect straight line. So, how do I get a straight line? Well, one method is by folding a piece of paper. Now, I have a piece of paper in my hand. Now, if I fold this paper like this, then what do I get? Well, if you see this particular edge, this will give you a straight line, isn't it? Now, using this, I can draw a straight line. So, I place this piece of paper here, and with its help, I draw a line. And what do I get? I get a straight line, isn't it? So, if you have a piece of paper, you can simply fold it. In fact, you can fold it in any direction. So, I randomly folded it like this. And even then, what do I get? I get a straight line. Let me fold it in any other way. So, even now, this edge will always give me a straight line. So, we can see straight lines whenever we fold a piece of paper. So, however you fold it, you will get a straight line. And with its help, you can draw such a straight line. And while drawing the line, it is very important that your hands are steady. So, even when you fold the paper and you get a straight edge, you can only draw a straight line if your hands are steady. Otherwise, you may make a mistake and your line will not be a straight line anymore. Now, what are some other techniques by which we can actually draw a straight line? Let's see. Now, I have this diary with me. Now, using this diary too, I can draw a straight line. Let's see how. What do I need to do is, I need to figure out if this particular diary has any straight edges. In fact, it has many. So, all these edges are straight, isn't it? So, using these, we can actually draw a straight line. So, I place it here, and then keeping my hand steady, I draw a line. And what do I get? I again get a straight line. So, using any object which has straight edges, we can draw a straight line. So, we need to place it on the surface where you want to draw a straight line. Keep your hand steady, and by placing your pen or pencil on this edge, you draw a line. And this line is a straight line, isn't it? So using any straight object like this diary or even a very straight pencil box, you can draw a straight line. But even this is not the perfect method to draw a straight line. Well, if you do not have specialized tools for drawing straight line, then you can use this technique, that is by using a straight edged object. Now, the most standard and right method to draw a straight line is by using a scale or a ruler. Now, using such scale or ruler, you can actually draw a straight line without any problem. So, these are specialized instruments or tools using which you can draw perfect straight lines. So let's see how we can draw a straight line using a ruler. So I have this ruler with me. Now what do I need to do? Well, I need to place it on the surface like this, and then I first of all hold it steadily so that it does not move, because if it moves, our line will also move and it won't be straight anymore. So it's very important that we place our hands like this and keep it steady, and then we place our pencil like this, and then we draw a line. Now what do you think? Is it a straight line? Definitely it is. And in fact, I have just drawn a horizontal line with the help of this scale. Now let's try a different angle. So I rotate the scale like this, okay, and now I place it here. Again, I need to hold it steadily like this, and then I draw a line. Now what line is this? It's a slanting line, and again with the help of this scale I was able to draw this line. Now let's try another line. This time let's make it vertical. So I place it like this, and then I place my hands like this so that it's steady, and then I draw this particular line. So what about this line? Well, we have a perfect vertical line here. So we were able to draw this line with the help of this ruler. So ruler is a very important tool with the help of which I can draw a perfect straight line. So if we want to draw a straight line, there are different methods. If you don't have any tools, then you can try freehand. So keep your hand steady and try to draw a line, and you will get a straight line which is not really acceptable in geometry, but at least visibly you can say that it's a straight line. Now apart from that, if you have a piece of paper, you fold the piece of paper and its edge will give you a straight line. So with the help of a piece of paper, you can draw a straight line. Apart from that, you can use any object which has a straight edge. So you can use pencil box, even a copy or a diary, and you can draw a straight line. And if you have a ruler, you can definitely draw a straight line with the help of a ruler. So all these different tools help you draw a straight line.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge, or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English, and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.